We are learning that the number of break-ins in the city is down.
In our daily lives, unexpected challenges can arise at any moment. While many of us carry the basics, wallet, keys, phone, there are essential items often overlooked that can make all the difference.
Commuters were caught off guard today as unexpected heavy rains led to widespread flooding.
Situations like these highlight the importance of being prepared. An everyday carry, or EDC kit, is more than just the essentials. It's about anticipating the unexpected. Rain gear. A lightweight, foldable rain poncho can be a lifesaver during sudden weather changes, keeping you dry and comfortable. Over-the-counter medications. Carrying essential medications, such as pain relievers or antihistamines, ensures you're prepared for minor health issues on the go. Mini First Aid Kit. A compact first aid kit addresses minor injuries, providing immediate care when it's needed most. Collapsible cup. This space-saving cup allows you to stay hydrated without the bulk of a traditional water bottle. Snacks. Having a quick snack on hand can keep your energy levels up during unexpected delays. Utensils. Reusable utensils not only reduce waste, but also ensure you're always ready to enjoy a meal. Toilet paper or wet wipes. Wet wipes offer a convenient solution for hygiene needs when facilities are unavailable. Power bank. Keeping your devices charged is crucial in emergencies. A power bank ensures you stay connected. Floss. Beyond dental hygiene, floss can serve multiple purposes, from mending fabric to securing items. Cash. In situations where digital payments fail, having cash on hand ensures you're still able to make necessary purchases. I once got stranded during a road trip. Having a power bank and some cash in my EDC kit made a stressful situation much more manageable. An unconventional yet valuable addition to your EDC kit, a harmonica. Not just for entertainment, playing music can reduce stress and boost morale during challenging times. Your EDC kit is a reflection of your readiness. Consider adding these often overlooked items to enhance your daily preparedness. What's the most unexpected item in your EDC kit? Share in the comments below. Stay prepared, stay safe, and remember, it's the little things that make a big difference.